Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to change Bigo password. So in order to change password, you must first own the application and you must have an account and must be logged in. I already have all, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Bigo Live application. So once you tap on the application, you get to this page where you'll have to go and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. So once you tap there, again you'll have to go and tap on the settings icon at the upper right. So once you tap on the settings icon, you'll have to go and tap on the account management option. So once you tap on the account management option, under bind account heading, you can see phone option. You'll have to go and tap on the phone option. You can see two options which says change phone number or change password. For now we want to change password, so I'm gonna go and tap on the change password option. So once you tap on change password option, you'll first have to type your old password just to ensure that it is you who's changing the password. And once you're done typing your old password, and type your new password. So here you can type whatever password you want to keep, but you have to ensure that the password should contain at least 6 characters. So once you're done typing your new password, you'll have to go and tap on done option. That is how your password gets changed. You can see it says changed. So that is it for this video. That is how you change password on Bigo Live. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for joining.